Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. So I just finished editing this vlog and basically uploading it right now because it needs to go live tomorrow. I also made myself dinner. I'm basically eating toast with cashew, nut butter, bananas, and honey on top, and I'm gonna have this for dinner. And then after I eat my dinner, I am gonna basically put my good old charcoal mud mask from Origins because it saves me every single time. I'm gonna shower, then I'm gonna do my skincare, pamper myself a little bit. I'm gonna watch Euphoria because I'm obsessed with it. I also need to catch up on Love Island US. So yeah, just gonna have like a chill night, and this is gonna be an interesting vlog because I usually don't start vlogging at night. Well, it's not night, it's like 7 p.m, but you guys understand what I'm trying to say.
What happens in a month, 6 months, a year? When she tells you, she just wants to be friends.
Nate, why would I do a single thing for you?
Because I'll put you in jail. That, you know, you got a new best friend.
My mask is on. I'm gonna wait for it to dry, finish this episode of Euphoria, and then I'm gonna jump in the shower. Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower and I washed the mask off my face. They're still tight, and when your braids are tight, you should just leave them down for the first week, otherwise they're gonna like pull on your hair. So I already washed my face. I used a face scrub to like cleanse my face today, and then I put on my mud mask, charcoal mud mask from Origins, and then now I'm going to use this toner from Bobbi Brown. It's called the Hydrating Face Toner. I use this twice a day, like in the morning and at night, so I keep it away from my eye area, but I take it across everywhere else. And I'm gonna go in with my under eye creams, the same one that I always use from Origins. For moisturizer, I use the La Mer face cream. You can use any other face cream. I know this one is really expensive, but it was gifted to me. I did not buy it, but it is amazing. Like, I'm not gonna lie, if you can invest in a night cream, I highly recommend you invest in this one. It's just so hydrating. I put extra like around my mouth because I get like laugh lines, and this moisturizer helps with that. And because we used a scrub and a charcoal mask, I'm gonna moisturize extra just to put moisture back into my skin. So now that we're nice and moisturized, the last step of my night care routine is this capsule thing from LMS. I remember I told you guys that I bought it, and I've been basically using it at night. So these are the capsules, and you just like break them and you just like squeeze the oil out and you apply it all over your face. So you can either skip the moisturizer and just go straight with the oil, or you can apply the oil as a last step. And then I basically wait for like 10 to 15 minutes for my skin to like absorb everything before I go to bed, so the products like don't transfer on the pillow, which is like not cute at all. But yeah, this is everything that I do for my nighttime skincare routine. And now I'm gonna basically finish Euphoria, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow bright and early. Hey guys, good morning. It's like 6 a.m. and I just woke up, put on my gym fit, and I'm gonna go upstairs to the gym for like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and basically meditate, do my skincare, and eat my breakfast. So now I'm gonna put my earpods on and do a bit of meditation. I usually go on this YouTube page, Boho Beautiful, and I listen to their meditation. So I'm gonna do this meditation session today, and it is guided meditation for manifesting dreams. that meditation session was amazing. I'm gonna go get started on breakfast, wash my face, and then we can do my morning skincare routine together. So for my morning skincare routine, I only use 3 products. The first one is the same toner that I used yesterday. I really simplified my skincare routine because I was breaking out a lot, and I was like, okay, let me simplify and just use like toner and moisturizer and a face wash, like a 3-step morning and nighttime routine. Except for the nighttime routine, I have like 1 extra step with the oil, but that's for my breakouts. It basically detoxes my skin. I'm just gonna take my eye cream and I'm just gonna like work that under my eyes. And then to moisturize, I'm gonna use the Clinique Moisture Surge. Literally my favorite daytime moisturizer. It's so light and it's so hydrating. So now that I'm done with my skincare, I'm just gonna go in with this CC cream by Eurobrian. This is the brand name, and it's basically like a CC cream. It has like no coverage. It has sunscreen in it, and this is what I put on my face when I don't want to wear makeup but I still want to be out in the sun. I want to give my skin a break because I wore makeup yesterday. Okay, so this is what the CC cream looks like. I know it looks a bit ashy, but that will dissolve later on throughout the day. I'm also going to fill out my eyebrows, and for that I'm just going to use powder and a brush. Today's mainly going to be like a working day, which is why I don't want to bother with makeup. Once I get ready, I'm gonna eat breakfast and turn on my Wi-Fi and catch up on my DMs, messages, whatever I got from the night before. I'm trying to do this thing where I turn off my Wi-Fi at like 8 p.m. on my phones, or like 9 p.m. and then I don't turn it back on until I'm ready and I'm like done with my morning routine. Because the first thing I'm gonna do if I don't do that is go on my phone and literally stay in bed. Because when you're going through your phone, you kind of forget other things that you need to do, and you can spend like hours like scrolling, opening messages, replying, and you end up in this vortex. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I haven't been really myself lately, and I noticed it when I was editing my vlog last night, and I was like, I seem really different. Not unhappy, but kind of like not myself, because I'm usually like a very positive, happy person, and lately I feel like I haven't really been myself, and I've been doubting myself a lot. Like, I remember a time when I used to be like more confident than this, and I didn't care about other people's opinions and, you know, all of that. And nowadays I'm like, or like lately I've been in my feelings a lot. Sorry, I just used like the Gimme Brow by Benefit, and I put it across my brows over the powder, and now I'm gonna use the Lip Maximizer as a lip gloss. I really love this stuff. Just to lock everything in, I'm gonna spray the Primer Plus Hydrating 3-in-1 Setting Spray from Bobbi Brown. And this is all I'm gonna do to my face today. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my breakfast and then update you guys on what I'm eating.
Deck of cards and an affirmation card, and it's called How to Love Yourself, which you shouldn't buy cards to like love yourself, but basically what you do, and what the guy there told me to do, you pick 1 card and then 3 that follow after that.
Next is the oven, which for me doesn't need that much frequent cleaning, so
I'm watching cleaning videos because I'm so freaking weird as a person, but I love cleaning videos and I love cleaning, so don't judge me. This is like porn for me. But I made myself coffee after I had breakfast, and then I'm also gonna eat this Atkins bar. if it will focus. It's a cappuccino nut bar, and it's basically high in fiber and low in sugar, also high in protein, which is something that I'm trying to consume more of. And because I have like a long day today and I'm not gonna be home till like 2 or 3 to eat lunch, so I'm just gonna eat this to sustain me while I work throughout the day. Hey guys, so I lost track and I really have to run right now, but I just wanted to show you my outfit. This oversized t-shirt and biker shorts are from Misguided. I'm just wearing my Air Forces, and then my work bag. I'm gonna take these glasses with me. They're from Key, and yeah, that's the look. I have a client meeting right now, and then after that I'm gonna come back home and make myself some lunch and continue working from home. And yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys when I'm back home. Hey guys, so I just got to my client's showroom. I got these packages. I'm just uploading a few stories on my client's Insta stories right now, and yeah, we're getting this work done. I'm waiting for my client to get here so we can have our meeting. These braids are so itchy. Hey guys, so I'm leaving D3. I'm gonna go home. I'm back home, so excited to be back home. I'm gonna heat my lunch because I still have some pasta from yesterday and make a salad, and then I am gonna eat that. These are the packages that I've been like kind of receiving lately, and I have like this big Misguided package that I'm so excited to unbox, but I'm gonna unbox these for you guys. I'm gonna unbox them on my Insta stories, and after I unbox, I'm gonna just basically do more client work until it's time for me to like go to bed. So yeah, that's the plan for now. I also need to catch up on Love Island. I haven't seen the finale yet, so can't wait to see who wins. I wanted to end today's vlog here. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be more fun. Like, I still have to work and stuff, but I'm meeting with Larnie. We're gonna go get lunch. I'm excited to see her. Hey guys, just wanted to show you my outfit today. This is my makeup look for today. Very sunset beachy. So I know I didn't start off today right, and that's because I was kind of feeling lazy this morning. I literally woke up, had breakfast, and I sat on my laptop to like finish some work while I watched like Love Island and like YouTube and etc. And then I decided to do my makeup, and I'm doing this thing where like every time I have to go out, not every time, but every time I have to go out to like daytime stuff or like events or whatever, I want to do like a new makeup look. There's orange, there's red, and there's like a bit of yellow and gold in there. Let me know how you guys feel about it. So yeah, like I kind of want to practice makeup. So I just got to Sarabeth. Hey Larnie girl, hey. We're just like catching up on life and trying to order food. I'm thinking about shrimp and spaghetti, and we also want to get the truffle parmesan fries. The restaurant is so freaking cute. It's cute, right? I did good, right?
Yeah.
Just trying to order some food. So I got the spaghetti shrimp, and Larnie got avocado toast with burrata. We put a lot of avocado in there too.
That's how I like it.
We got truffle fries as well. I got red velvet latte, and you got the dark latte with chocolate in it, right? And espresso. And I'm guessing mine has red velvet in it. So I am back home. I had like such a good time. Like, we just hung out, talked about shit, life shit, and just got to know each other better. Like, girl, if you're watching this video, you're awesome. I have a few things that I need to catch up on. And then what are we doing tonight? Yeah, nothing crazy really. Just catch up on some work and yeah, nothing interesting, just catching up on more work. So yeah, I'm just gonna check in with you guys later today. I'm so into this makeup look. Like, I really freaking love it, and I really want to film it for like my Instagram live next week. This weekend, I mean. I don't know which look I'm gonna do, or I might just like do a third look. I don't know. So it's been a few hours now. I've kind of been like editing, working, getting content done. I need to start editing this vlog because I need to post it tomorrow. So I just remembered that I needed to end the vlog here and basically start editing it. So this is me ending the vlog. I'm not gonna do much tonight. I'm just gonna continue working, do my skincare, shower, and basically go to bed. So I'm gonna see you guys when I see you next, basically, which is Sunday, if I can edit the vlog on time, which I think I will. So yeah.